Hello everyone, welcome back to Srinivas Ramanujan channel. This is Ram Lakshmi. Today's topic is simplification of radicals. Before going to today's topic, who did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to Srinivas Ramanujan channel and give your support. And also watch my video till the end because I am going to explain you today various techniques in this simplification of radicals. Now let us proceed to the today's topic. Today's first question, square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. How to find out the square root of this 5 plus 2 root 6? So, here, you know how to write square root of 100. Yes, 100 can be written as 10 square, so that you got 10 is the answer. In the same way, what is the square root of 49? It is 7 square, which is 7. That means what we have done here, we arranged the number as a perfect square, then we got its square root value. In the same way, we have to arrange this inner part 5 plus 2 root 6 as a perfect square. If you arrange like a perfect square, you will get square root value for this. So to arrange as a perfect square, we have to use here two identities. The first one is a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. And second identity is a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. How to use these identities? Basing on the given question, we can use any of these two identities. Now, how to use for this? Square root 5 plus 2 root 6. Now, you have to take this 5 and this inner square root value 6. These two you have to take. Now, you can take any two numbers whose sum should be 5, product should be 6. The same numbers you have to take. So, if you add two numbers, that means 3 plus 2 is 5. The same numbers you have to do product to get this 6. That means 3 into 2, 6. In such a way only you have to select the numbers. Right. Now, this can be written as, 5 can be written as 3 plus 2. But I am arranging like this. Square root 3 square plus square root 2 square plus 2 into square root 3 into 2. Square root 3 into 2. Which means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, this can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab, no? So, this can be written as a plus b whole square. This can be written as a plus b whole square. Entirely a plus b whole square. So, square and root gets cancelled. Finally, you got square root 3 plus square root 2 is the answer. So, for this square root, we got the answer as square root 3 plus square root 2. Now, one more question. Square root of 17 minus 2 into root 72. Square root of 17 minus 2 into square root 72. Now you have to take the two numbers 17 and 72. You have to add any two numbers that to get 17. The same numbers you have to do product to get 72. What are the two numbers? 9 plus 8. Like that product is 9 into 8. Now how to arrange? Square root 17 can be written as root 9 square plus root 8 square. So that means square and root gets cancelled. So again you got 9 plus 8, which is 17 only. Just we arranged for the sake of this identity, we arranged like this. Now 2 into root 9 into 8. Right? Now this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So second identity we are going to use now. So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. That means a minus b whole square over square root. So, square root gets cancelled. Finally, you got root 9 minus root 8. You know, root 9 is 3. 3 minus root 8 is the answer. Now, next question. What is square root of 39 plus 12 root 3? Here, what we have to do, there is a difference between this question and before questions. In before questions, before this inner radical 2 is present, but here 12 is present. This 12 you have to split like 2 into 6. So, 39 plus 2 into 6 into root 3. Because we have to use that identity, no? That means 2ab term we need. So that we arrange it like 2 into 6. Now square root of 39 plus 2 into 6 will go inside and 6 becomes 36. 36 into 3. Now square root of 39 plus 2 into square root of 108. 36 3 is a 108. Now you have to take any two numbers whose sum should be 39 and the product should be 108. So These two numbers only we have to arrange like that. 36 3s are 108, 36 plus 3 is 39. So what we have to do now? Root 36 square plus root 3 square plus 2 into root 36 into root 3. That means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now square root of a plus b whole square. Square root gets cancelled. You got root 36 plus 3. Root 36 is 6 plus root 3 is the answer. Now next question. Square root of 9 minus 4 root 5. Here also now 4 is present. That 4 you have to split like 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into root 5. Now what you have to do? 9 minus 2 into. This 2 will go inside. 2 becomes 4. 4 5 is a 20. Now you have to take two numbers whose sum should be 9, product should be 20. Sum should be 9 is nothing but 5 plus 4 and product is 5 into 4. So now we have to write like this. 9 can be written as square root 5 square plus square root 4 square minus 2 into square root 5 into 4. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So which is a minus b whole square. So square root of root 5 minus root 4 whole square. So square root gets cancelled. You got root 5 and square root 4 is nothing but 2. So this is the square root value. Now one more question. Next question. Now square root of 7 minus root 48. So how to write? This is also we have to compulsory arrange 2 before this inner square root. So how to arrange? This 48 I am splitting like 4 into 12. 4 12s are 48, no? So I split it like that. Now 7 minus 4 will come outside. Any number when you are bringing from square root to outside. So this 4 becomes 2 now. That means square number. We are finding square root for this 4. It becomes 2. Now you got this now you got like 7 minus 2 into root 12. Now you have to take any two numbers whose sum should be 7 and product should be 12. So 4 into 3 12. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now you have to write square root 4 square plus square root 3 square minus 2 into square root of 4 into 3. That means a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we have to write like a minus b whole square. So square root gets cancelled. That is root 4 minus root 3. Root 4 is nothing but 2. So the answer is 2 minus root 3. Next question. Square root of 5 plus root 21. Here again it is different because before problem we splitted 48 like 4 into 12, but here we can't split like that. So what we have to do? Here it is another technique. So 5 plus, you have to write 2 into 1 by 2 into root 21. That means before this inner root I arrange 2 into 1 by 2. That means 2 cancel, again you got 1. So when you are multiplying this root with 1, there is no change. So I arrange like 2 into 1 by 2. Now what you have to do? 5 plus 2 into root of 1 by 2 will go inside. It becomes 1 by 4. That means when you are sending this number to inside, it becomes square. So 2 becomes 4. Now you have to take any two numbers whose sum should be 5 and product should be 21 by 4. In that way, you have to choose two numbers. So I am taking, 21 is nothing but 7 3s are no. So I am writing 7 by 2 into 3 by 2. Okay. 7 3s are 21, 2 2s are 4. The same numbers I am going to add. So 7 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 7 plus 3, 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. So what I have to do now is root 7 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square plus 2 into root 7 by 2 into 3 by 2. So you got a square plus b square plus 2ab form. That means square root of a plus b whole square. So square root gets cancelled. You got root 7 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. You can again arrange like this. Bring this 1 by root 2 outside. Simply you will get 1 by root 2 into root 7 plus root 3 is the answer. So in this way we can find out, that means we can do simplification of radicals. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Srinivas Ramanujan channel. Thank you.